Hi everyone, if you want to know if Ocuprime works, stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to tell you some essential things you need to know before you buy these supplements. Here you will find a way to keep your eyes and vision healthy without surgery or medication. I'll tell you all about this best-selling supplement that helps you with your eye problems. The first thing you need to know about Ocuprime is be very careful where you're going to buy Ocuprime, because Ocuprime is only sold on the official website. I saw a lot of information here on the internet that doesn't match reality. So for you not to lose money or regret the purchase, stay here. The first thing you need to know is that the original Ocuprime is only sold on the manufacturer's official website, and it isn't sold on any other website. And for you to have real results and not take risks, buy from the official website. And to help you, I left the link here in the description of this video. Ocuprime is an eye food supplement created by experts. This supplement helps maintain eye health due to age-related damage and other various factors. Ocuprime works on reducing damage done and saves the user from disease progression. This is possible because the effect is with ingredients that are essentially necessary for the structure and function of the eyes. The ingredients are completely natural and have been proven to be beneficial for the human retina and macula. The ingredients within Ocuprime include eyebright, quercetin, bilberry, lycopene, magnesium, rutin, grapeseed, zeaxanthin, and lutein. The benefits include it reduces eye irritation and redness, controls risk factors that make vision poor, improves vision clarity and better image construction, and offers complete protection against disease development. Primary acts against inflammation, oxidative stress toxins, and free radical damage. Ocuprime has FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities in the United States. Ocuprime has been tested in third-party labs. The ingredients are 100% natural and have no side effects. Ocuprime is a non-GMO habit. It has no stimulants or toxins, meaning you can trust this product. Ocuprime is delivered in many countries. It comes in easy-to-use capsule form, and there are 60 of them in each bottle for a 30-day supply. Users are advised to take 2 capsules a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, but you need to take your treatment seriously if you want to see results. Each organism absorbs nutrients in a different way. Some people experience significant health benefits after using this supplement after a few weeks. However, full recovery it can take up to 6 months. It is recommended to order 3 to 6 bottles for best results. The more bottles you buy, the more discounts you get due to high sales. The company is so confident in their product that they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with Ocuprime for whatever reason, meaning you have nothing to lose. Literally thousands of people are using Ocuprime and are having great results and no reported side effects. If you are thinking of buying this supplement, make sure you only buy it from the official website. Take your treatment seriously and remember you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. And also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different than anyone else, because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Ocuprime helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching this video. See you around.